Welcome to CrownCAD, where innovation meets efficiency. Let's dive into your first experience with CrownCAD and discover how it transforms modern engineering workflows. Project navigation setup. Every great design starts with a clear vision. CrownCAD's intuitive navigation tools streamline conceptual design, enabling you to start fresh or reuse existing project frameworks, visualize every detail in real time, and generate BOM tables early to map out your product's architecture. With top-down design, refine concepts into fully detailed models all in one seamless workflow. Top-down part design. Create precision parts faster, whether working solo or in assemblies. Sketch allows you to create smooth and continuous 2D profiles. Model efficiently offers context-sensitive toolbars and mouse gestures to reduce the number of clicks, while assisted modeling features enable you to quickly and accurately design parts. Assembly design. Build complex products without the complexity. Cloud collaboration enables global sharing of models and the reuse of legacy data to eliminate redundancy, while mating function directly defines 3D relationships, such as coaxial and coincident between components, thereby simplifying the assembly of large-scale systems. Real-time collaboration review. Break free from outdated workflows with Live Remote Reviews. Designer A at the headquarters and Designer B at the client site can effortlessly mark up the same model, add comments, and have all changes synced within seconds. This means no more costly and time-consuming cross-country flights. And that's not all. Thanks to instant feedback, annotations and design updates are automatically shared across the team, ensuring everyone stays on the same page, aligned in their vision and progress. Drawing design. Turn 3D models into manufacturing-ready blueprints. With the engineering drawing module, you can effortlessly create ISO-compliant 2D drawings, ensuring precise and actionable solutions for manufacturers to achieve seamless integration between design and production. Better design drives better outcomes. CrownCAD's cloud-native platform puts speed, collaboration, and precision at your fingertips. Ready to dive deeper? Explore more at www.crowncad.com.